for this problem, I just need to sort an array in a wave sequence, and that's pretty much all to it. Let's see. So I understand that I'm getting an array. So input is an array, and output is another array. Let's see. I'll explain in Mesh. So in Mesh, a similar problem would be just swapping. Oh, similar to swap, and sort an array. Well, I mean, I'm just going to call the function sort so that on it, yeah, I'm just going to have to call sort it. So I'm just really just swapping. After, if I'm swapping in a sorted array, then it's really, really easy. So the plan is, oh, right, in match, I'm going to need a loop. Just simple loop. I'm only swapping every 2, so I'm stepping every 2. I'll need a for loop. I'll be stepping every 2. The plan is pretty simple. I just need to sort the array. If it's unsorted, then I need to sort the array first. Then I'm going to need a for loop. I'm going to need I, since I'm working with arrays, I'm going to use I in range. And I'm stepping every 2, and I need the length of the array. But since I'm checking the next element, I'll need to subtract 1 here so I don't go over the bounds. And I'm stepping every 2. So all I need to do is just do a swap. So whatever the array is at I, and whatever the array is at I plus 1, then I'm going to swap it with the next one. So array I will become array I plus 1, and the array I plus 1 will become array I. And that's it. If I print the array, then I'm going to get the new array in a wave format. And yeah, so after sorting is really easy. And that's really all there is to do it. And oh, since I need to find it lexicographically the smallest one, I need to have the sort. Yeah, it needs to be sorted before I can do this method. If I don't need to worry about lexicographically, then there's another way to do it that I found on the internet, but it doesn't give me the lowest lexicographically list. But the time to process is much faster than this, because this ends up with the big O notation of n log n, which is not the greatest, but not the slowest at least. And there you go. That's it.